People back at it, round upon the ground. Seaside, boat and everything. My people, let me ask you. Get my fishing license soon. Yeah. Real place now, Jamaica. Real people, my people, yeah. Roast breadfruit. Smell that. Some fish. Oh, go on, brother. How much per pound? How much per pound? Alright, brother. Little bit talk. One said $1,200 a pound for the fish. You see me? Me not supposed to pay for fish. 1,200 them say. Yes, to see me. See me, and see the king there. Yes, my brother. Yes, my brother.
Show him, come, give me a second.
Do it, sir. How you doing?
Yeah, they know of life some good, you know?
Yes. That's about balance. How you doing, sir? How you doing? Yeah, see the yard there. See the yard there. Right now.
Every time, man, I mean, man. And he presents, man.
Last year, ja. What you man, man?
You know, sir, the
Man, you
23rd.
put on more strength, you know.
You see it?
I will if I strength upon you, you know.
You see it now?
I tell you from a long time, sir. You see the people and where great gift of giving to. Great things are expected from them. You got bully to give you, you know, you. And you're not, hey, your knowledge now make you bigger, you know, better, you know, and greater, you know.
I go get the license so I can come out with you.
Yes, man.
That is the ultimate. I have the garments and everything. I have the drone. So
Aye.
we're going to do the final teaching for them.
Aye, quote. You know what man I say? Let me give thanks for the energy still at flow.
I just got the word glad now explain. For know say one of the only real brothers I have.
Yes, listen me. You don't have to worry, man. You don't have to worry. Because listen me. You see anything where you left,
Real is real.
and anything where you put the fit go ahead with, me go did it for you. My strength is all up. Because you know. Me don't look to mankind for nothing, you know. Me look to the nature.
Nature, the universe, you know?
And me look to the Almighty. Because people will always put you up down. But you see the all, it makes you there.
Up, you know?
Because you tell me say change and balance, you know. You know the amount of things me may change against me.
And
balance up myself because you know. Me find out say, who round me weak and then I go stand up to me. Them more to let me down more and stand up to me. So me have to put all trust to the all. Because you remember when you tell me say, when me think when me look to the all the bird will see me and say, me know you know. Me know what you think about. It's like that, man. You know, say enough time me there and when me take a check. None of me about them not there. And as soon as me come and say 2 words out of my mouth, anywhere then there, they start flying. One behind the other. Man, I listen to me say, then could all where bird them there, then gone. Me say, they not gone, man. Then there. Then they establish the place. They make themselves be known. And make me be known. Because that's true, me make enough people know. Be true, them make people know me.
Me hear him get married too. That's a change.
Well, make him tell you about that. That is a quiz.
Tell the people about the change.
Well, I love the ladies see me along the way, you know, when you have to say I was weak. When I even plan for the sort of stupidness too, I go cross to my brain and run. I lie about that, man. And she said, you know, the Lord said, if I'm married you, out of the blues. He said, miss, where you want from? You don't want from a little dirty man like me, because I've been a word in time I'm dirty, you know. I said, no, never you do that. Don't put on yourself like that. You know, but no. Because what I see in you, plenty people see it, but them don't want to build it, you know. Look into it and say, boy, you know. Say something to her again when you wrote to her. I'm very much sorry when you mentioned that. Rude, she cried. Her children say, disrespect her, but it's a question I really ask. Later down, the question did start to emerge, right? You know, she said, look when I say, no, I say, you see some things from far, you know, because you see some things to me long time after, months after they see start to happen. So you say, you can see things, but guess what, you don't follow your heart, and if you let go of a certain thing, but you let go of what? Say, you know. Right now, Ron, wow, I'm so glad. With your words and teachment, Ron, and that lady with the help.
What words you use?
With her? Well, I want to tell you the truth, you know. I don't read my words, you know. Share her words, you know.
Got it.
Oh, God.
So
Right.
you
Tell her the truth,
remember when we did come here first and you did shaking?
You see them time they should read the simple.
Yeah, transition.
Yeah, man, them time they see me and you see how you not even make me kind of confused because some people when I come visit her and even I bring a little, so she must, when it comes to me, she must just hold off a little because she don't want nobody disrespect. Because people are very fierce and for them have them high education and she said, well, yeah, man, stay around this one, my place, visit nobody. Visit nobody. You're my husband. And if they face with you, they face with me. So stay right when at the room, or is that room or your room. When we go in the room and look on the space. Start to read the Psalms, you know. And it's saying that the Lord shall put his children in a large space. At the same time, start to look around and see in that large space. You understand? And never know that she was listening when I read the Bible and I worship the all, you know. Look after she coming because she's a spiritual person. And I say, yes.
You notice you changed the rightful name to the altar. I notice you use it now.
Yeah, man.
You use it now.
Yeah, man.
All.
The all. Because without the all, he's as you said, everything.
You see?
Yeah, man.
Brother.
Keep me in her hand.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm in love, so you balance out.
You see, she said something to me, you know, and when we look at it, you know, she said, boy, more time I'm on this one. No, he said, more time a person meet to the next person. And you don't know what the strength that brings. Right. Maybe him run several women, you know. Tell the truth, when we get together, nothing really want for both of us, and things start to pick up nice and we step out of my life. Right, just like that. Never quite even say that to her before. She said, we're not leaving, you know. Right now, she tell me, say, boy, everything we are going in her life because of me.
So she see the value in your soul. Some people can't see the value in your soul. Them not say nothing else but your soul.
You know, so that's what she said to me. That's why she said me, I'm like this, you know. Because people see that from when I was small.
Yeah.
And try to.
He's like a righteous treading of a Nazareth man, you know.
Alright, to tell you the truth,
You never did accept.
No, really.
Say you're a Nazarene.
Say you're because they say no and they say no.
Yeah.
They say when I know it's a virgin, you know, we never know that I was living that kind of way.
Yeah.
You start get that fight now. I wonder why.
Because your heart good. Your heart good.
Goodness.
Yeah.
And
Goodness.
the type of fight I get.
Yeah.
She go save me because
Yeah.
I'm not turn the other side.
Yeah. Because the good heart one them are the most valuable. I have get the most fight. But here why you see when we team up, you see like how me, Crude and you team up.
Yeah, because one cannot do it.
The war a wage so hot, so we have to stay together. You see me?
Even she said that to me.
Yeah. So when a good one say a good one, them give up them life for them.
Right.
Because them say, yo,
They go through some things.
yeah. So good people right
Can't
now.
disrespect that lady, right?
No.
I would get beat when I say beat, you know, yeah. Several stride as they are saying. Lashes.
Yes.
I'm not telling the truth from my heart, because I'm not an ungrateful person, right? Just like, oh, I appreciate what you come do. Because what you do first, many of them, this man come and make some kind of talk, we just look on them and laugh.
Yeah.
Because what them say, what them say rolling now? What them say? The legions them say rolling now.
Legions.
Yes, man, that's the angel of the devils.
That's what I'm saying now.
Alright, that's me here speaking.
Things are about to change, you know. Because we bring down the garments, we are going on the boat, we have the drone, and we got the teachings for them because we can't hold back now.
Forward,
and you see, marriage and union and balance, you have it.
Because of the Almighty said, even the day of the marriage, you know, the only day in December, the sun shine. And this year, the day of marriage, the sun just step on the boat of us like this son of man just appreciate what's going on, you know. I'm my wife, man. Let's see, I'm an angel, me look for her. No, I'm not definitely, I'm just feeling to myself. So I'm telling her, she's an angel.
Give her a first name and tell her, say you love her to the world. First name.
Lola, I love you.
To the world.
I love you to the
To the
world.
whole world. So I love you.
Love you.
Sister.
Love you, Lola.
You see that?
With the love of God. With the love of the all.
Yes. And teach her about change and balance in everything she does. She have it.
He's a doctor, 28th century. She used to teach at Harvard University.
See it there.
She teach me some little things, because she really could find out say we did sick away with tricks.
Take off things off of you.
And you see even the symbol of the cross first no here.
Yeah.
And for them thing, if you can take off for them thing off. You understand? And I really, they all think, because I know they have me hank.
Yeah.
But I treat it breaking as a wood.
I have one for you.
Yeah.
Replacement. Because I see you now, I tell you, you need to rise up.
You know, yeah man, but it's when she put on this thing for armor on, it's like some fight. No, I mean when I fight out, the fight say something like something possessed.
Yeah.
People in the body.
Them can't lock down African people for too long.
Oh God. I'm sure they are saying you see spirit in me.
But the thing is you have a good heart, so them can't shake you, you know, you're a cornerstone in a brother.
The reason we can come and with you. You know, so about a couple of days ago, I go station and report my brother. Blood brother. I'm saying blood.
Yeah, so I'm going to shave up the thing a little bit, but I'll go to the mountains. So, this is Jamaica Good Life. Proud of my grey hair them. Gonna be 50 next year. It's been 20 years upon the movement to do this. What is wisdom?
Where you get, how you and him becomes
A wisdom that.
how you and him becomes connected, how you and him, what kind of relationship you have. How you never get to this right bottom where me know your name, you know my name, if me in a trouble, you can't get me out. Are you in a trouble, me can't get you out because we can't come down there and ask you and get you in any way because that's your liar name. Me don't know you, you don't know me. What it go on? police have that as a big thing. Yeah, big thing right now.
What him name?
He's fucker. I shall be tell about the not to go to I know for them see me and they wonder, how me I move, right? But they would never know. I reality know. You have to organize yourself from crime.
You see?
Listen to me. You see the policeman, the man, the policeman. And the man is source, I don't fall. Analyze how them the team. So they are the killer. Remember we smoke weed, you know, weed and wisdom, you know. We get into a different place. We put into a different knowledge. We get into a different height. So you have to analyze. More time we are switching down so you think so we're mad. We not mad, we analyze the things where we don't urge you down the line. We have a far side, we don't with third eyes. We don't see things where normal eyes don't see yet. And you don't see. Don't make that response. We go see. You understand? So they bring me down a road. So have all of them knowledge there. And you not utilize it. It's like you're mad. You understand? It's like you're mad.
So tell me now, how long me left you? For like 6 months or 7 months?
Why, listen to me, you went too long. Another timeline, you went too long.
So good, how you feel now?
You feel like a king now.
What was you before?
No one. One tiger.
You the man said to you, before me he was no one. You hear what the man say?
Yeah.
So if a man look upon you and say, before you I was no one. Say it to the world.
Me never nobody like that.
Say it to the world.
There ain't nobody
Before
like
me you was what?
that. No one like that. Because I remember you bring change and balance, you know. And you bring change and balance. And you bring all.
Yeah, yeah, what a Jamaican man say. Listen what him say, King. Him say, before me, he was no one. Imagine that.
You're the something nice.
Understand?
You're showing this.
And you bring change and balance come. Because you know, the whole of we change, you know.
A big man this, you know.
Guess what my friend say?
A big man this, you know. This is a king, you know.
Guess what my friend them
You don't
say?
look upon you with a different.
You know what my friend them say?
Yeah.
Then what I know?
It's like our father.
It's like certain things are going through that way, you know, make we know. I know certain things are going. Remember say you say me alone got change and balance. I know say me alone get change and balance. And the knowledge where they say, alright. We could have rich in around. We could have money. We could have done yard, kickback. I get everything what I want. Me have the richest friend them. Me have the richest friend them. Me have some of my richest friend them. Nobody time they come up there so. And when they come up there so they say they come down and chop back. Chop back then call down and say them. Remember I said they change it from Shantytown to chop back now, you know. Remember Shantytown they have here, you know. No I chop back then say. I don't have chop back then they come. And you know say, they would have rather to come down here to come sit down. Drink them beer and have them good time because they say, nobody not down here to beg them. Me tell my friend them say no beg none of them no. You don't need to beg people no. If a man rate you and respect you, he don't give you things. You don't have to ask him for nothing. He don't give you. See,
Now me want you explain to all. Come on, you said this, you know.
Then you know tell me something think about the all man. You know the all man.
You see,
It's up to the bird and
Yes.
recognize me. Up to the hands. Up to the hands, so recognize me. When me walk, I mean walk, I mean no want to tap on him, you know. So up to him don't recognize me and don't say, God no. The giant pass me and don't touch me. Nobody believes say, they don't take me as giant, you know. The ants take me as giant. And if you respect him and throw down some sugar grain, you know say, you don't respect you and say, then I must see all of that. Oh, you get that the spirit that give you the sugar grain and we bite them when we're ready. Yeah, because
you get it.
if me get it, man, but you get it, you tell me so me get it already, but you look like a current run through you, you don't remember.
You know say I get. That's why I come check you. Come on to see you calm.
Run.
When I come back now, I want to see the you when me expect to see.
guess what, you know,
For one time
you
you did nice, you know. You did loud, you know. But now, it means like the sea.
You get me, you listen me now. Oh, the tranquility go. We are one, you know, with everything around we, you know. And you tell me, say, speak the word to creation. And what we speak, so come back to it tenfold. Look, enough time when me there by myself, and all I met, and all I realms. I know, say, if we talk to the all then. Because we feel so lonely, you know. And we feel so we are alone, you know. But we never alone, done. And you show me that. So them the realms that me depend. So enough people see me busy and they get to me the thing together. Then they wonder what me I do. And oh, me not dead by them.
Like why the bird fly so close but not touch you?
No, the bird, no. Why you would call that?
The bird knows over there. Law of recognition. Everything recognize you now.
Hold on.
If you recognize it. But you have to recognize it.
You're that thing I know. No for them, you know, believe I'm for Satan alone at the force where nothing reckon with. Then they know say I know Satan alone. They should have known. But they don't come to know and they never stop and think. Because they just get one little thing and they run with it. We have to bend them now and bring them to it. That's why we know unite in a run. And that keep we apart in a run because you are the people that activate. So
Could I'm not going to say something to you but you might not want to hear.
Tell me.
There's only a few that's going to receive the salvation.
Then Jano tell me already long time say many have called and few are choosing. That choosing one. Alright, you know say the choosing one look down pan. The choosing one always look down pan. Look what happened to the Most High.
So you may say to you, enough time you say to me, I have work to do, but the work is done. Because one, you save one, your work done.
This just a murder. Yo. King the last year, man. Oh, Grant, you see what you do? And you see what you put in existence right now. More than what you can believe say you do. Because alright, listen to me now. Nobody asks me say, then you live. Because they know see me they get up go work every day. Yeah. But then see me luck come. But you know. You know why me luck come every time?
Yeah.
I owe my energy flow enough time. Me never take nothing for myself alone in a run. Me never, alright, if you come here and you decide say, Good Life, me don't give you this and me don't give you that. You never take everything to myself. I say. You know, me want to achieve this a glory. And me want to hold a meditation on that. Me always they call my friend them and they say, yo, come get some of this man, cause I run things. Why you believe me never feel no way when you and none of them need no reason? Or in a no conversation. Me no do wrong thing around. Anything what me do, me born to do it. Because me no know when me create now my mother home. I never know when I create now my mother home. Me just a replica of the Most High. Me is a replica of the Most High. So anything what me do, you see what me do wrong?
Yeah.
I was meant to be. You understand? I mean I do more than my portion. Me just say do the things what I'm supposed to do. No joke. Because here I know, you see that this creation here, people asking money, people asking wealth, people asking house and car and van. Me ask you for your chariot still when me would have want to move me from places to places. I don't get yet, that are the only thing me not get yet when me ask you for until this day. only a chariot when we want to move it from point A to point B. Me never get here. And that's the only thing when me ask you for. I don't know the reason why, because probably would have moved reckless. And Janu. And me might have get myself in a problem.
Or somebody would drive with you, that's your friend that will get you in trouble.
Only Janu. That is the only thing, because I want a chariot, you know, me can move on and get myself from point A to point B. But that is the only thing when me not get yet. But let me tell you this. Jah give me everything what I want. Until this day. I get everything what I want. So when I look at it now, I may see it and I say, Jah know everything. And he know everything best. So when me they illustrate and they understand what they go on, I look at it and say, I just preserve. Because I never know nothing. We say we know, you know. And we know you all, you know. But we never know. Don't we never know?
I'm going to tell you, remember me tell you, the brain is only 150 years old. It can't go further, it's flesh. So knowledge is not that important. The only thing you need to know is to be.
So
then the butterfly must...
You bring me to the bee now. When me don't be what me supposed to be, then me don't becomes the all. Because, alright, me out there, you know. Like anybody else, like what going wild then somebody take you and put you in a pot and start nourish you and cherish you as a
infinite being.
Yeah, so you become important and then you become yeah.
When we go for him head was already empty. But me give
me ask it, you know. Me ask it and get me energy when me ask her. Me ask it be what me supposed to be, you know. Because guess where you gonna? Chip chop!